Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get a modded version of your favorite game, which is the, what's it called? Um, COD Mobile. So this will give you unlimited COD points. So as you can see, I'm broke, but when I press this, I can actually turn on unlimited COD points. So let's see if it goes up, and then I'm going to show you how to download this onto your device. So as you can see, this is the amount of COD points I got right now. Pretty pathetic, but it should start going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. So let's see if it works. So as you can see, pretty pathetic, but there you go, guys. So as you can see, COD points are rising. So I'm going to show you how to download a COD mobile mod so you can get free COD points, right? So first thing we need to do is go over to this website. So let me just type it in right here. So once you're on the site, guys, just type in COD, and as you can see, it should come up. So before this downloads, it's going to be a verification, so you just got to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free. Then you're going to get it onto your device. So I'm going to wait for this to download here, as you can see. So let's just give it a minute to go ahead and load up. Should be good to go. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So I'm just going to wait for it to download. So as you can see, guys, it is loading right now. So we'll just give it a second to load up. So as you can see at the end, it's going to say like missing files. So you just want to download some of these. So we got like DraftKings, Family Island. It's like reach level 10. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe and peace out. Super cool.